Today we're going to go ahead and unbox this Cooker King 10-piece stainless steel cookware set. The first impression right out of the box is that this is premium. Everything feels really nice, high quality. Each pot and pan has a nice weight to it without being overly heavy. And the finish looks sleek enough to leave on display in the kitchen. The handles are easy to attach, and the assembly process was quick and straightforward. Before cooking, I gave every piece a thorough wash with warm, soapy water, and they cleaned up beautifully with no issues. The tool to attach all the handles is going to be included. After my first use, I immediately noticed how evenly these pans heat. The Tri-Ply stainless steel construction really helps distribute the heat, so I didn't have to worry about hot spots or uneven cooking. As with most stainless steel cookware, preheating the pan and adding a little oil make a big difference in preventing food from sticking, and once I did that, everything cooked really well. One thing I appreciate is how versatile this set is. It's compatible with all cooktops, including induction, and it's oven approved up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it great for recipes that start on the stovetop and then finish it in the oven. The stainless steel interior also means there's no non-stick coatings to wear out over time, which is a huge plus if you're looking for long-lasting cookware. We were sent to test out, and after cooking, cleanup was much easier than I expected. A little soak was all it took to remove any cooked-on food, and knowing it's dishwasher approved is a nice bonus for busy days. Overall, I think this is a great cookware set for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen. It feels durable, cooks evenly, looks beautiful, and offers the flexibility to handle everything from everyday meals to more advanced recipes.